What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about lying hitchhikers. So these are great for the shoulders, those upper and mid traps. What you're going to do is lie face down. We are going to point the toes so that the top of your foot is pressed to the ground, extended feet. From there we're going to walk the arms up and we are going to turn the thumbs up to the sky just like you are hitchhiking, hence the name. We're going to drive the forehead down, but we are not going to rest it on the ground. We're actually going to have it hover. And then for a little better shoulder activation, I actually like walking the hands out so we're more in this wide position. From here with those eyes down, that forehead hovering just an inch or two off the ground, you are going to drive the thumbs to the ceiling. Feel that contraction in the shoulders, those rear delts. Nice, simple lie down. From there, drive those thumbs up as high as you can. Nice, easy set down, and you're just going to do that for reps. We are not letting the chest come off the ground too much. The hips, the thighs, and the feet are constantly pinned to the ground, so we are really focusing on that upper body activation. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.